Friends and former colleagues confirmed that former Marikina Mayor Bayani Fernando has died at the age of 77. In a statement, the Marikina city government sends their condolences to the Fernando family. Fernando first became mayor of Marikina in 1992, overlooking the transformation of the locality from a municipality to a modern city. In a separate statement, the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority says it is deeply saddened and shocked about Fernando's sudden death. Fernando served as chairman of the MMDA from 2002 to 2009. MMDA says he was known to be a workaholic and a disciplinarian among MMDA employees. It also gives credit to Fernando for the rapid bus lanes and the Metro Guapo campaign that transformed the region into a livable metropolis.